Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I show you how to enable virtualization on a Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. If virtualization is currently disabled on your system, don't worry. Just follow the steps shown in this video and you be able to enable it successfully. First, click on the Windows search bar and open the setting applications. Once setting opens, use the search box and type Windows feature. From the search result, select turn Windows feature on or off. A new Windows will be appear showing all available Windows feature. Scroll down and look for the option called Virtual Machine Platform. If the box next to it is not checked, enable it by clicking the checkbox. After that, click the OK button. Windows will be now search for the required file and install the necessary components. Wait for the process to complete. Once the installation is finished, Windows will be ask you to restart your computer. Go ahead and restart the system. After the restart, open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl Tail on your keyboard. Now click on the Performance tab and select CPU. Here you can check the virtualization status. If it still should disable, that completely normal because one more important step is required. Restart your computer once again. Before Windows start loading, enter your BIOS or UEFI setting. The key used to enter BIOS depended on your computer manufacturing. On many Lambo system, it might be F1 or F2. Will be other brand can use different key. After enter the BIOS menu negative to the security, look for an option named Natal Virtualization Technology BTS AMD-V or Virtualization Technology. If the setting is disabled, change it to enable. Save the change and exit the BIOS. Confirm the change if a configuration message appears. Your computer will be now restart normally. Once Windows load, open Task Manager again and go to the Performance tab. Select CPU and check the virtualization status. You should now see that virtualization is enabled and that your system is now ready to use virtual machine and virtualization based applications. If you found this video helpful, don't forget like the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on notification for more text tutorial. Thanks for watching and I see you in the next video.